Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add Google search bar on your home screen in Redmi or any Android phones. So here, what you need to do is just prepare your home screen, and then you can just long press on your home screen until this show up at the bottom. Then tap on widgets, and you can here just scroll down until you find these Google options. And here you can see there are a few options that you can choose. You can just swipe until you find this Google search bar. You can just click on add widget, and just like that, the Google search bar will be added into your home screen. That's pretty easy. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.